Hi, Nanu. So today we are going to learn about the certain characteristics. How do they vary in the long form of periodic table? So variation of certain characteristics in the long form of periodic table. So first of all, first characteristic feature is valence electrons. What are valence electrons? Electrons present in the valence shell are said to be valence electrons. So or else electrons present in the outermost orbit are called as valence electrons. See how the valence electrons, how do they vary? How the valence electrons, they vary in the group. So the number of valence electrons remain same down the group. Hence chemical properties remain same down the group. For example, take first A group elements. So these are the first A group elements. So if you observe the valency, so this is sodium, lithium. So here first orbit 2 electrons, second orbit is the last orbit and it is having only 1 electron, 1 valence electron. In sodium 2 comma 8 comma 1, first orbit 2, second comma 8, second orbit 8, third orbit 1, and third orbit is the last orbit. Hence the valence electrons are only 1. So potassium, rubidium 2 comma 8 comma 18 comma 8 comma 1. Ten, 28, 36, 37. Okay, 37. Cesium 2 comma 8 comma 18 comma 18 comma 8 comma 1. So here how much? 55, 8 into 36, 46, 46, 50, 55. Okay, right. So francium 2 comma 8 comma 18 comma 32 comma 8 comma 1. How much it is all together? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 18 comma 8 comma 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So here in all these elements, this the last orbit, outermost orbit, it is having only 1 electron each. So they are having valence electrons 1. So that means all the elements belonging to a particular group, they show same number of valence electrons. Same number of valence electrons. As they show same number of valence electrons, they show similar chemical properties. So like this. Right. So like this. So down the group, number of valence electrons remain same in a group. Down the group, number of valence electrons remain same. Okay, hence chemical properties also remains same. Now let us learn about how the valence electrons, it varies in a period. If you observe any period, in any period, what happens? The elements in the same period have same number of electron shells. Example, take lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So here, so how many shells are there? Here 3 shells. Here also 2 shells. 2 shells. In all these elements, there are only 2 shells because it is second period. These are second period elements. Second period elements. Second period means, so two shells. All these elements have only two orbits. Okay. So in the second orbit, so lithium it is having one electron. In beryllium, two electrons are there in the second orbit. In boron, it contains 3 electrons in the second orbit. Carbon, it contains 4 electrons. Nitrogen contains 5 electrons. Oxygen contains 6 electrons. Fluorine contains 7 electrons. Neon contains 8 electrons. See, in all these elements, I mean all elements belonging to a particular period will have same number of shells. Two shells only. But the number of electrons keep on increasing in the valence shell. That means the number of valence electrons keep on increasing one by one. As we move from left to right, the number of valence electrons keep on increasing. So the first element in any period have only one valence electron.